Once upon a time, in a sunny little farm, there lived a little red hen. She was known for her hardworking nature and her bright, cheerful personality. Her friends included a lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and a disinterested duck who preferred to lounge around rather than help with any chores. One day, while scratching around in the garden, the little red hen stumbled upon some grains of wheat. Excited by her find, she thought about making bread. She gathered her friends and asked, "Who will help me plant these wheat seeds?" "Not I," said the lazy dog, yawning. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat, stretching out on the warm ground. "Not I," quacked the disinterested duck, flapping his wings lazily. Determined to succeed, the little red hen replied, "Then I will plant it myself." And so she did. Days passed, and she watered the seeds and pulled out weeds. Soon enough, the wheat grew tall and golden in the sun. When it was time to harvest, she called out again, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the disinterested duck. "Then I will cut it myself," said the little red hen. With great effort, she harvested all the wheat on her own. Next came the milling of the wheat into flour. The little red hen asked once more, "Who will help me take this wheat to the mill?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the disinterested duck. "Then I will take it myself," she declared. Off she went to the mill, where she ground her wheat into fine white flour and returned home with a heavy sack. Now that she had flour, it was time to bake some bread. The little red hen excitedly asked her friends again, "Who will help me make bread from this flour?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the disinterested duck. "Then I will make it myself," she replied. She gathered ingredients: milk, sugar, eggs, and butter. Mixing them all together with her flour, she prepared to bake. As she placed her dough into a hot oven, a delicious aroma filled the air. The smell wafted through the farm and soon caught the attention of her friends. The lazy dog stretched and sniffed, the sleepy cat opened one eye, and even the disinterested duck waddled over curiously. When the bread was finally ready, golden brown and steaming hot from the oven, the little red hen proudly pulled it out. She turned to her friends and asked with a smile, "Who will help me eat this bread?" "I will," barked the lazy dog. "I will," purred the sleepy cat. "I will," quacked the disinterested duck. But this time the little red hen shook her head firmly. "Oh no, you didn't help me plant or harvest or mill or bake this bread. I did all of this work by myself. Now I am going to eat it all by myself." And with that proclamation, she sat down at her table and enjoyed every last crumb of her delicious bread, while her friends looked on in disappointment. From that day on, whenever there was work to be done on the farm, whether it was planting seeds or baking treats, the little red hen's friends were quick to offer their assistance. They had learned an important lesson: hard work is rewarded while laziness leads to missed opportunities. Thus, life continued on at the farm, with everyone now eager to lend a helping hand whenever needed. The little red hen had not only baked delicious bread, but also taught her friends about responsibility and teamwork in a way they would never forget.